Hello YouTube, my name is Jimmy Bram here in my workshop, and today I'm going to be making myself a spray booth for spray painting indoors. I live in the Nordics and right now there's a lot of snow outside and it's really not a nice experience spray painting outside. Also the paint has a really hard time drying when it's that cold. So I'm going to be building myself a spray booth indoors. And it's gonna be collapsible. That's pretty much what I know right now. I know it's gonna be collapsible. I know it's gonna be safe, at least as safe as possible. And it's gonna be a permanent thing, a permanent installation. Everything here in my workshop is usually always made on wheels, so it's gonna have wheels as well. So regarding safety, there's one thing, obviously, I thought a lot about, and that is, will it explode? And it can, definitely. When you release fumes from spray paint into the air, it can explode. If you get the right mixture of fumes, whatever the active ingredients, is in the spray paint, it can get to a level where if you have a spark, it would ignite. So I've done what I can to try and avoid that. I have chosen an engine where the motor is outside of the airstream, so it shouldn't produce a spark. Also, I've chosen a ventilator that has a certain level of power, so that the air will get exchanged very rapidly. So I guess those things all should prevent it from exploding here in my workshop. So, but don't do it as I say it. Read up on your own safety. Don't just take my word for it. But yeah. I'm pretty much just gonna wing it this time. I don't have any drawings or anything, so I'm just gonna try and wing it. But have fun.
I got a job in the valley, but today I didn't go. I need a day off, but the boss says hell no. I'm gonna get drunk and smoke of morals, and part of me thinks I ain't ever gonna make it back home.
Finally, I'm done, and it looks like this.